Hi Felters and welcome. Today I'm going to answer a question I get asked all the time. Where can I find a really good skin tone colour? And I found a range and I think they're really good, so I'm going to show you them. Let's get started. Here we are. And you guys know I've been working with Claire's Crafts Create, who has an online needle felting shop for everything you're going to need. Just to make it clear, I am not affiliated or commissioned by Claire in any way, shape or form. I just think her shop is fantastic. Now, she has sent me these samples to show you, and they are the DHG Maori New Zealand wools. And they're on her website. I will show you in a sec. And they have just updated them, and these are fantastic. And these are the 2 skin tone collections. And look how many amazing skin tone colours we have there. Everybody struggles to get really good skin tone colours. So I'll talk you through, let's just go through this first box. I'll talk you through how you order them, and you can order samples as well, which are really good. But it's going to be very tricky for you to see the exact colour, so sometimes it helps to order samples. This is Hollyhock. Just to show you, it's all labelled in the little box if you order one of these sample boxes. Hollyhock, Ivory, Nut, Sand, Shell and Sienna. So there is a very good mix there. And the other box, again, yeah, I can see the colours aren't coming out. It's very tricky for you to see the colours. Acacia, Cherry Bee, Chocolate, Cocoa, Earth and Étoile, which is star in French. Now, I'm scared to take them all out because otherwise I will lose which one's which. So I will take the odd one or two out and try and hold them up. And that is quite a good skin tone colour for me, actually, because I'm quite pale, maybe a little bit darker. This is Hollyhock. Yeah, that's definitely more my colour, so that's good. This is even paler, Cherry Bee. So you've got a very good selection, and you've got some darker skin tone colours as well. It's like I said, it's very tricky for you to tell exactly what the colours are. Oh, see, that's almost the colour of my pink top. So I would recommend, let me show you her website now and go through the samples and how much they are. This is Claire's website, Claire's Crafts Creates, UK based. She's got very fast delivery. This is the page you end up landing on, Beginner's Guide. So go to the shop and then scroll down. I also have a 5% discount for her as well, which I'll put a link in description. So that's helpful. Now that's all the collections. Then there's the DHG Extra Fine. There's not as many colours. So you want these ones, the DHG Maori Bats, and they're very good for needle felting paintings as well, but I'm going to do another video on them. So if you go into that, and then if you go to the carded bat samples and then click on that, and then click on the colour that you want, or the colour range, and this is the skin tone range. So this is a £2 very small sample card, so you're not going to get much on these, but you can claim that £2 back if you order any more wools in the future, the DHG wools. So that's really, really useful. So the DHG is actually the Dyeing House Gallery in Tuscany, Italy, and it's a harmonious range of shades to create light and depth in portrait pictures and a smooth finish to your needle felting pieces. They have got absolutely tons of colours, and I will do another video going into them and needle felting them with you and showing you what they're like. But the 2 egg boxes, this is the £10 for the 2 egg boxes for 12 times 5 grams of wool. And if you wanted more, you can have 12 times 20 for the 25, but they're a fabulous little sample of skin colours. Just to show you the sizes, these little ones in the egg boxes are 5 grams of wool. This one here is 20 grams, and this is 50. And she also does 100, and then you just get the 2 50s together. So there's the sizes, 5, 20 and 50. So you can see how much you need to order. I hope that's helped, Felters, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching and take care.